finna do my hair. I'm finna leave. Cause we finna go. I think I need some razors. I need to shave my legs. So yeah, we gotta get some razors. Yeah, I think that's, I don't know. We gonna find out when I'm there. Okay, I'm gonna just go with these ones. And then I'm gonna grab me some deodorant. I'm pretty sure I'm some. These is cute. Like, I don't even know what I would put these in, but I don't know, it's just cute. Let me get stuff I need. That's the problem. But y'all, they don't have no good air fresheners. I should never came here. I don't know why I came here, y'all. But it was close to my house. The new car, Ocean Breeze, and then strawberry lemonade. Cause yeah. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We finna go to Starbucks and we're finna edit. We finna be productive, y'all. Cause y'all, there's some TikToks I need to make it. I want Starbucks. Y'all, I wanna see if I can use these. Cause they old. But like, when I've went before, they be nice to me. Like, they be letting me use them even though they old as ever. So we finna try. The year is over. Do y'all wanna be nice and let me use them? Or what? It's not too much. I did get dressed for yeah, it's regular jeans. And I just got on a black top under, and I threw on this jacket. And I got my headband on because I'm gonna try to look cute. I don't even think my lace is on. I don't even think it's still wet. Like, I think the size is coming up. Yeah, y'all, we gonna get myself together when I get back. So we're gonna go put these in, see if they work. If they don't work, I'm going to go get the real deal. Y'all know the real deal. What's the brand? I think I had got these before, but I can't remember if they just come up. My granny gave me these, y'all. Look. I guess it's like chlorophyll with pills. And yeah, because these suck because I don't even think this computer is charged. And I'm not. It got 52. It'll be straight. It'll be straight. You got 52. Hey y'all, my car is mad dirty. So we're gonna go to the car wash real quick. Okay, y'all, I'm at the vacuums because I'm about to vacuum my car a little because y'all, look, it's a mess. Like, my side be clean because I do have a I got one of these, but like, it don't be getting good enough. It just don't. Not enough for, yeah, get my side just a little, but like, I just need the whole car cleaned up real quick. So we're gonna do that. Y'all over there. There we go. Y'all, it wasn't even working for real. I'm gonna try to see if this one working. Because what the fuck is that? And if not, we're gonna go to the one that's at my house. I'm not gonna play with that. Y'all. This one is not picking up. Thank you. You too. Okay, y'all. So, okay, it's hot in here. Like, what the fuck? Oh, it's so cute. I gotta do my TikTok, y'all. Hold on. I got a rich nigga on the pump. She think it's something I gotta do with my mama while I can't love. Like, she y'all, we is here. Yeah. And then can I get a chai tea latte? I can scan it. Yeah. Some noisy in here, so I'm not gonna talk for real. It's like noisy, and there's a lot of people in here, so yeah, I'm gonna just plan content, and I'm waiting on my drink and my food I got. I'll show you that when it comes. got the sausage cheese with some cream cheese and my drink.
Go to lunch in the Jewish community. I won't tell on the bros with immunity. Can't beat them, that shit ain't gon' ruin me. I'm the only one now let out do me. I got hoes by the crew tryna do me. My life like a movie, get hit in the water. Don't got put in no work, guys in order. This shit ain't got serious, the meetings come plural. I'm leaving by more, we swiping and keeping no word. This floor, I'm young and I'm turned. I got pictures galore. My baby mom will cost 250, I'm splurging. Got 5 million cash just in case it get merging. My young niggas still get away, they be virgin. It happen like
I forgot that we said we was gonna put these in. I meant to do it in the the car wash, but it just wasn't working like that. So let's open this. I'm gonna throw all this trash away. Okay, it smells good, like a little. Like that smells I just okay, it's for me. It's like I had a little. This smelled good too. Yeah, if I'm ashy, mind your business. Like I put on lotion, but pull it out. Like, what is going on? Like, ain't you supposed to be coming out? Okay. Yeah, I was just clicking stuff. But new car smell always gonna do the trick for me, if you ask me. Like, it don't matter what brand. Well, I don't want to say that, but like, now we really finna pull off. Now we're about to go home and get dressed. So I'll talk to y'all when I get home. Let me see if I got me some cute pajamas. Yeah, I had these for like over 2 years and I'm just not pulling them out. Alright y'all, so I'm dressed. I got the pajamas on. These the pajamas. The other ones was like flooding like. I mean, they was for a couple years ago, but like, I just don't like how it's like baggy right here, but like, and I need to comb it out. But I like it combed out. I like the little poofy look, so I'm gonna just wait till it's done sitting in there. Yeah. Okay, y'all, so we had Dollar Tree and we gotta make the drink, so we gotta look for some stuff to put in it. Ew. Okay, because I want us to make this drink, so I kind of wanted to match it because I think it do got candy canes in it though.
It do.
Yeah. That's gonna be a minty ass drink. Yeah, so we need to find some type of syrup. I'm trying to think if we could use like syrup, like strawberry syrup or what. I don't know what we're gonna do about that, but yeah, we can get those. Or we really could get any kind of, cause do you even eat peppermint? It ain't got, cause our drink gonna be fruity, so, and them are nasty. I used to be pissed when my mom get the Reese. Them might be good, I guess.
Or the confetti ones are best. I got some Cold Stone.
Okay, so we're gonna get glow glitter rose powder to go around the rim. And then, which dye? Well, we don't, oh shit. We don't know which one yet. Either, they got green, orange, and blue. And yellow. I don't want to do yellow, but I'm thinking either, yeah, cause you know, Christmas.
I thought it was at 5.
Invitation, Jada.
It was always 5.
Hey, vlog. Okay, y'all, look at her little setup. She cute. Yeah, she got all the little snacks. Y'all, my battery dying, so I'm gonna go charge it. But I just wanted to update y'all.
No, you can do it.
And yeah.